the icy girl with the eyebrows. I broke into